Hello and welcome to the Rayants kitchen. Today I'll show you how to cook Rayants tropical cod fillet 3 different ways. This cod is deep sea cod, it's mild and meaty, and then we marinate it with tropical flavors of pineapple, orange, lemon, apple, and ginger. The beauty of this cod, as well as the entire Rayants seafood line, is how easy we've made for you to cook it. You simply open the box, which has tamper-proof seals on each end. Remove the inner sleeve and then choose your cooking method. Either the microwave, your oven, or stovetop. Today we'll use my griddle. Now let's get cooking. First for the microwave. Remove the inner sleeve from the box and place it inside the microwave on high power for 1 minute. At the end of that 1 minute, remove the package from the edges, turn it upside down. Now remember, the fish is going to be hot, so be careful. Again, on high power, microwave for 1 additional minute. Then, remove it from the oven, and with your probe thermometer, check the internal temperature of the thickest part of the cod. You're looking for 74 degrees. Perfect. Which is 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Then just allow the fish to rest for 1 or 2 minutes. From there, open. It's got notches on the sides, so you just simply tear. And remove the fish. There's going to be some reserve cooking liquid that you just pour right on top. It's just that easy. Now the second method is in your oven. Again, remove the package from the box. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees centigrade, which is 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then put your rack in the middle and put the package right inside. Allow it to cook for 10 minutes. At the end of that 10 minutes, done, turn the package over and continue to cook. This can go, depending on your oven, anywhere from 5 to an additional 10 minutes. Then check the internal temperature. Again, you're looking for 74 degrees, which is 165 Fahrenheit. Let it rest, just like we did before, and plate. The third method is on your stovetop. Then, this is a little bit different. We're going to remove the fish from the package. And place it right onto the hot oil. Now, as the fish starts to cook, you'll notice that the edges will start to brown. Our total cooking time per side is anywhere from 1.5 to 2 minutes. As the fish does cook, you'll see it starts to shrink just a little bit. We're looking for browning around the edges. As soon as you have that browning around the edges, we'll turn it over. Our total time is again between 1.5 and 2 minutes per side. You can check the internal temperature of the fish by inserting the probe of your thermometer, and we're looking for 74 degrees Celsius, which is 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Again, let it rest for just a few minutes and plate exactly the same way that we did before. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to our channel to see more Rayants cooking videos on all of our products. You can like us on Facebook and also see us on Instagram. Have a great day.